What's up everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back to the channel guys. Very happy to see you. In today's video we're going to take a look at this thing right here. This is the brand new DJI Smart Controller, and more particularly we're going to set it up. I'm going to show you all the necessary steps you need to take in order to set it up from 0 to 100%. So it can work with your Mavic 2 device. The process itself is quite straightforward, nothing really that difficult, so you don't need to worry about that. Just sit back and enjoy watching this setup. So first things first, right after you turn on your controller for the very first time, you need to select your language. English is already pre-selected, so just hit next, and then you'll have to agree with the DJI terms of use and privacy policy. Just hit agree, and then you'll need to select your country. Don't do it like me and go to the list and scroll all the way to your country. You can just use that search box and search for your country, then hit next. After that, you will need to connect to your Wi-Fi network so you can have access to internet, input your password, and you'll be good to go. The next thing you need to do is select your time zone. I'm not really sure why you need to do that since you already selected your country, but anyway, make sure everything is correct and confirm. Next, you need to input your DJI account credentials, or of course make a new account if you don't have one. Then you need to activate your device by clicking on the activate button. And then you can choose whether you want to join the program for sending data to DJI. And of course, you'll need to update the firmware of your remote. Then you will see the startup screen, which shows you basic tips about all the features that you can expect from this remote, all the buttons, where you can go and what you can do with the remote. And you can of course access the tips for easier use of the remote controller. You can always go back to those tips, so don't worry if you accidentally close the window with the tips. And here we are in the home screen of the remote controller. From here, first thing you need to do is connect to your drone. You need to open the DJI Go 4 app and then of course agree to all the privacy agreements and terms of use. And then you will see the splash screen with the Mavic 2 drone on it. In order to link the smart remote and the drone, you can simply swipe down from the top of the screen and press the linking button, and you will start hearing this beeping sound from the remote. Then what you need to do is open the little tab which you can find on the underside of the DJI Mavic 2 Pro or Zoom and press the button that you can see there. As soon as you push the button on the drone, the light right next to the button will turn from red to green, the beeping sound will stop and the remote will be linked. And then what you need to do is wait until everything is updating, because you will need to update the firmware of the remote controller, you will need to update your FlySafe databases, and you'll probably need about 10 to 15 minutes to update everything, so prepare yourself for that. But once everything is ready, everything will be blinking in green and you will know that everything is set up correctly. Let me go back to the main screen of the remote controller so I can show you a few more details. By tapping on the icon on the right bottom corner, you are going to see all of your apps. You can access all of your settings, which are pretty much the same as any other Android device. You have access to your quick settings by swiping down from the top of your screen. You have your browser, you have all of your files in the File Explorer. Also, if you go one step back, you can access your gallery, where you can see all of your photos and videos that you have taken with your drone. And lastly, the button that we have used already on the left bottom corner is to connect your drone and start flying. And that's pretty much it guys. This is how you set up your DJI Smart Controller. Of course, there are many other features, many other settings that I haven't shown you, but that will be coming in the upcoming days and weeks, so stay tuned for that. I just uploaded my first impressions video, so make sure you go and watch that as well after you finish watching this video. If you've taken away something useful from this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!